Want to edit all your captions at once in CapCut PC? In this video, I'll show you how to batch edit captions in CapCut PC to save time and make your subtitles look professional. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. Create a new project and import your video. Drag the video onto the timeline. Now go to Text, Auto Captions, choose your language audio source, then click Generate. CapCut will automatically create subtitles for your video. Once captions appear, click on any subtitle in the timeline. Then look for Batch Edit or Caption Style. This allows you to edit multiple captions at the same time. Inside the Style panel, you can customize font style, font size, text color, background color, shadows, and outlines. The changes will apply to all captions automatically. Move your captions to the preferred location on screen. Usually, bottom center works best for YouTube. Middle placement works well for Shorts and TikTok. All captions will update together. To fix spelling mistakes quickly, use the Captions list panel. Edit text line by line without clicking every subtitle individually. This speeds up workflow significantly. You can also add animations. Choose Fade, Pop-up, Slide In. Apply the animation style globally for a more professional look. Preview your video and make sure subtitles match the audio timing. Adjust timing manually if needed. Accurate captions improve viewer attention. Once everything looks good, click Export. Choose your resolution and frame rate. Your final video will include the edited captions. Use large readable fonts, high contrast colors, short subtitle lines. This makes captions easier to read on mobile devices. And that's how to batch edit all captions in CapCut PC. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more CapCut editing tricks.